Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well and doing so well. Welcome to today's video and welcome also to Tech Tour. So, dear guys, in this video today I am going to show you about a very impressive tool and very demandable tool for the educators and for the architects and the students of engineering. Those are learning architect or some engineering like mechanic etc, etc. So this is Autodesk. This is the tools for making 3D art like building, like machines etc. Such as if you search anything about Autodesk design, you'll got very impressive designs from the Google. This is some designs of this Autodesk, such as this car. You can make this type of very impressive design and 3D design by the Autodesk. So today my video will be on this. I'll show you how can you got Autodesk by only an email. You can take this for 1 year, such as look at here, they're welcoming us. They're welcoming me that your educational access to Autodesk products expires December 8, 2025. That means today I took this and I took the access of this, and the access will be expired in December 2025. So let's start. How can you got this account for free by an email? I'll show you that. And if you don't have this type of email, I'll provide you. If you need, you can knock me on WhatsApp or on my Telegram. So let's start. First of all, I'll sign out it, then go for sign in. This is my mailbox. Not important this. Go here. Wait for browsing. Now sign in. Now simply click here create account, cause we are going to make a new account. Simply you need to put the name. You must need from there like that, classic, and put this on here, then here an email address will be that, because you have this email for creating the account. Confirm email, then password. You must choose a valid password. So after this, create account. So type the captchas. The captcha will be, I can identify it. This. So successfully after confirming the captchas, you will got this page, and the message will be the goes in the your email address and verify the email. After verifying, simply click here done. So here is the account of your successfully done. Now how can you took the educational access from this? Simply go there, products, and view all products. Watch for coming, then select anyone from this, but first of all go here down, then go here, free software for students, educational access, free 1 year educational access with confirm eligibility. Then now you need to click anyone you need, select from there. If you need Fusion, you must select Fusion. If you need AutoCAD, you must select AutoCAD. If you need AutoCAD for Mac, this one. So I am going to select this Fusion. So now I am going to show this for educator. So simply after putting the all information about the institution, simply click here continue. And you got the account and you have successfully verified as a educator at Karachi Public School, and that will be expire on 12/8/2025. That means we got the 1 year validity Autodesk subscription for free with an email, and that's the our final message that's come from the Autodesk. They confirm us that we got the subscription for 1 year. And submit, click here submit, and successfully you got the account with the 1 year account, 1 year validity. If you want to take the products, simply click here access products. So after going there, you must go to the anything you can add from there. Like I'm going to Fusion. Simply go there, Fusion. If you go there, then access any of them, the software that have Autodesk, you can access anyone from this education access. All of the software will be free for you for 1 year. Next, from there you need to add the products. Go select, wait for loading, it will take little time cause of network issue. Then next is the products as educator. And maybe we got the products and the management. From here you can manage your admin panel also. And so I think that's all. These things are very easy to create. And if you have any email, if you don't have any email, you can knock me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will help for you cause I sell this emails cause of you. If you need, you can knock me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you, and one more video is available on my YouTube channel. If you need anything help, you can also see the another video of Autodesk. And thank you for watching.